Want to make a great first impression and appear more trustworthy to potential clients? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add the perfect profile photo to your Upwork account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your profile photo is often the first thing clients notice. It's your virtual handshake. A professional, high-quality photo can significantly increase your chances of getting hired. Let's get yours uploaded. First, log into your Upwork account and hover over your current profile picture, or the default silhouette, in the top right corner. Click Profile from the drop-down menu to access your profile editor. Once in your profile editor, look for the circular profile picture area and click the camera icon or Edit button. This will open your file browser where you can select an image from your computer. Choose a high-quality, professional headshot where your face is clearly visible. Upwork recommends a square image at least 400 by 400 pixels. Make sure you're the only person in the photo, and avoid using group photos, selfies, or images with distracting backgrounds. A crucial pro tip: use a recent photo that looks like you today. Dress professionally for your industry. Business casual works for most fields. Make sure you have good, natural lighting and a simple, uncluttered background. Smile naturally to appear approachable and confident. After uploading, you can crop and adjust your photo to ensure it's perfectly centered. Once you're happy with how it looks, save your changes. Your new profile photo will now appear across Upwork whenever clients view your profile or see your proposals. And just like that, you've upgraded your professional presence with a photo that builds trust and credibility. That simple change can make a big difference in how clients perceive you. If this guide helped you put your best face forward, please give it a like. What was the biggest challenge you faced in choosing your profile photo? Share your experience in the comments below. To start finding amazing opportunities, subscribe for our next video on how to find jobs on Upwork for beginners. Thanks for watching.